Tag. You're it. Oh wait, I'm it. Okay. So Bladespec tagged me to do my favorite way to open a Zippo. This is a Zippo that I won from Hambo, his quick little Zippo contest. Okay, so that thing that you taught me, let's see if I can do it. I did it! Okay, but that's not my favorite way to open a Zippo. My favorite way, twist, light, and close. So, the hinge is facing you, or me. Open it up, twist it, light, and close. Or this one's fun too, the one that you like. Oh, okay, of course. The camera doesn't work. Oh. There we go. Anyway, okay, who do I tag next? The Canadian Knife Guru. Oh, of course I dropped it. Yeah, your turn. Canadian Knife Guru, what is your favorite way to open a Zippo?